KLM, wide-body fleet replacement. According to COO Maarten Stienen, KLM will choose a replacement for a sizable portion of its present wide-body fleet in the upcoming months. Our wide-body fleet, which consists of the Boeing 777-200, -300, and Airbus A330, has to be replaced. In the upcoming weeks, this must become apparent, claims Stienen. The 787 that are currently on order won't be used to replace the current fleet. The Boeing 777-200, KLM oldest long-range aircraft, joined the fleet in 2003. KLM owns 15 Boeing 777-200s in total. The average age of the larger 777-300s is 10 years, which is much younger. The desire to replace its A330 fleet has long been known. The delivery of the aircraft took place between 2005 and 2014, but they are less effective than the more recent Boeing 787. The airline now operates 11 A330s, with the first ones leaving the fleet in recent years. Everywhere, the Royal Airline Company NV refers to itself as KLM. The national carrier of the Netherlands is Royal Dutch Airlines. The airport at Schiphol near Amsterdam serves as KLM home port. Amstelveen is where it's headquartered. KLM is the flagship company of the KLM Group, which also consists of the Cityhopper, Martinair, and Transavia and operates globally. In order to create the holding company Air France-KLM, KLM and Air France combined in 2004. They are both operating network firms within the ownership. The three primary businesses that KLM operates are air freight, air passenger, and aircraft maintenance. Dreamliner KLM now has 22 Dreamliners in total. There are 13 smaller 787-9s in addition to the 9 787-10s. In its most recent configuration, the 787-10 can carry 318 passengers split between business, premium comfort, and economy, whereas the 787-9 can carry between 275 and 777-300 passengers. The largest passenger aircraft in KLM fleet is the Boeing 777-300. The plane can go for up to 12,000 kilometers. Currently, there is space on board for 408 passengers, with 334 in economy, 48 in economy comfort, and 34 in world business class. Thank you for watching. Follow us for more airplane videos.